back to Easy Gift Ideas, custom gift ideas that are easy to make and customize to your liking. Today's first easy gift idea feature is the Talking to Unicorns planner with a blue and green stardust field with a pretty vintage leather background, a gold glitter unicorn, sparkling white lights, and gold lace corners. Change the spiral spine from white to gold if you like, and matching unicorn boys party letter tearaway placemat. Please note, if you haven't seen the first video, Easy Gift Ideas number 1, please go back and watch that video for the demo on how to change the text and transfer images from one gift idea to another gift idea. Moving on, we see Cloud Rain, Rainy Day Unicorn Planner, with room to add your message on the back. Moving forward, we find Unicorn Glitter Sparkle Rainbow Lights mug with a 360-degree design all the way around the mug. This mug is available in two styles, from classic to two-tone, to combo, and in a rainbow of colors. Just click the style you like, and then play around with the colors to match the design until you find one that you like. There is also a Stein, a morphing mug, a frosted glass, and a travel mug. With 7 styles in total, you're bound to find something that you like. There's 2 sizes to choose from, 11 ounces or 15 ounces. Followed by the Enchanted Unicorn Sparkle Lights Jelly Bean Tin, a small snip-snap tin you can fill with assorted jelly beans, 22 to choose from in total. Choose the metal, white, or black bottom. Choose from 6 different shapes, from kidney shape to the small snip-snap tin, or the giant snip-snap tin, jelly bean rectangle, or the Jelly Belly peekaboo tin, or the Jelly Belly glass jar, each starting at $4.80 per candy tin, or order 10 tins and save 10% for $4.32 each. If any items are sold out, just click the Notify Me when it's back in stock link to get notified. Many more easy gift ideas, including the Unicorn Watch, paper placemat, teddy bear with easy to customize t-shirt, a notebook, unicorn headband invitations you can customize by adding your own picture, the iPhone case, the stamp, the magnetic wood keepsake box, the business card, the mailing label or shipping label, the Bluetooth speaker, the photo cube, the headphone, the guitar case, the car mat set, the iPad mini case, the decals for 15-inch laptops, the MacBook sleeve, the sticker, the snow globe, the bumper sticker, the guitar pick, the poster, the iPad Pro 12.9 inches, the MacBook Air sleeve, and the laptop sleeve are available all anytime. And here is a preview of various ladybug designs and gifts for you to enjoy, including this adorable "Please Excuse My Fairy Farts" design with super cute mushroom and moon. Change the text to "Love you to the moon and back" or anything you like, and look how cute the coordinating back is. Next up is Believe the Magic Hat Symbol Skeleton Key business card. Let's take a closer look at this business card, shall we? Next up is the Drop Dead Diva Fairy in the gift tag, the planner, and the ornament. Let's take a closer look at the ornament. Here is the front with Drop Dead Diva text, and the back says "Have a seat." You can change the text to whatever you like. Carrying on, see how you have the option to change the design to different shapes, like a star, an oval, a circle, a heart, a t-shirt, though it's sold out right now, a square, or the premium round and premium square with a metal frame and red ribbon. This design is locked in place, so just send me an email to do this, or go to the new tag design where I've unlocked the design and transfer this design to other great gift ideas. Moving forward, we have t-shirt gift ideas from Killing It to Buzzkill or Killjoy to 92% Correct to Dead. And you'll have to go to the link below with this video to read the rest of this t-shirt. I can tell you it does not say rest in peace. And next up is the Everything Fits planner, complete with dress, shoes, pants, boots, hat, long sleeve shirt, t-shirt, boots, and a purse. Followed by a second copy of this with the Everything Fits t-shirt and hat. And finally followed by the Take No Bullshit planner. As Eleanor Shellstrap would say, oh, bullshit. By now you're probably ready for a break, so why not take a coffee break or a tea break with these unique vintage style coffee and tea planners? And why not have a sandwich with your coffee or even a hamburger? For the movie buff in your life, check out these striped movie stickers with a matching movie planner. Or if you like to play games, check out these striped edge poker chips. Use these custom poker chips to play a game that helps you raise money for charity, or just for fun. Feeling lucky? Or looking for some good luck? Get some good luck on your side with this cauldron pot full of gold coins, or do a search for St. Patrick's and look at all the gorgeous green goodies that come up. Are you a fan of Iceland? Or maybe you're a fan of woodland fairies and elves? Then check out these cute ice blue and white woodland fairy elf and animal gifts. Too cute, don't you think? Add any text you like, from French to English to Spanish or even Norwegian. Now let's cross over the bridge and clown around for a while. Or better yet, let's go to the circus and see the Ringling Brothers, Barnum and Bailey, and all the animals. Heck, we can even go to the safari without going all the way to freaking Africa. Now after the safari, we will need to clean up a little, from vacuuming the mess and dirt from our shoes to dusting off our clothes, mopping a little, and even spring cleaning. Then it's time to do some laundry, lots and lots of laundry. And don't forget to breathe. And finally, after a long day, you'll put your pajamas on. Enjoy a nice hot bath with bubbles, or maybe no bubbles, and lay your head on your pillow for a good night's sleep. Good night and sweet dreams, my friends. Sleep well and enjoy your night. And hugs from Mrs. Hedgehog.